Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe so you'll be updated for my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to try how to cook the seafood boil in the oven. So here are my ingredients. So I have here the shrimps, and I already cleaned it and took the skin, and my cluster crab. So it's just a pound of crab because it's only me who will be eating all of this. Any crab will do, and you could actually add some shells on it, so it depends. Cluster, clam, whatever kinds of shell, you can do it. Name it, any kinds of seafood. You can even add fish. And I also have cilantro. So not everybody is using it. I just want the smell because I like its smell, just to add a twist on my seafood boil. And here is my seafood boil seasoning. So it's a kind of salty and spicy. Just to show you the crab boil mix, so this is how it looks like. So it's actually done by boiling. So any kinds of seafoods, crab, crawfish, shrimps, and sometimes shells. So you boil it in a pot, and then once it's ready with this mix, then you drain it. So that's how they do it. Normally when they do the crab boil, they use sweet corn, but I'm not a corn fan, so I'm not using it. So next I have this red potato. I already boiled it, so I'm using two kinds. And this one, the ordinary potato, the regular one, and the whole white mushroom, and the Italian sausage. Any sausage will do. And I also have this dried chili. Cut it, so I want it spicier too. And I also have a 2 bulbs of garlic here. So I use a lot of garlic because I love garlic, and aside from that, garlic is healthy. So we're doing seafood, so it's high in cholesterol, and garlic helps to lower the cholesterol, so it's helpful also. And a butter, and I cut it into halves because I'll be using it in 2 different ways that you will see later. And lemon cut into thin slice, and another seasoning, my Old Bay seasoning, one of my favorites. So it's for seafood and any kinds of meat to add taste to our seafood boil. And my paprika powder. See, this one will add color and taste to our seafood. And we are all set, so let's get started. This is very easy to do. You'll just have to mix it. You can use your glassware or a non-stick baking dish or even an aluminum foil. So we just make sure that we mix the seasoning evenly, not just on the top but also on the inner side of our seafood and our ingredients. Just have to repeat until we're done with the process, until we make sure that we season everything. And then we put on top our lemon and then our garlics. So we set it aside first, and now I'm making my other seasoning mix. So in a butter, I fry my garlic, and then I season it with lime and salt and a black pepper. So just boil a little bit, not too much. And when it's ready, we are going to pour it on our baking dish. This is to add the taste. So now I can add my cilantro on top. If you don't like it, it's fine if you don't use it. So we're done. And now we're going to cover it with an aluminum foil as we don't like it to get dry and crispy when it's cooked in the oven. And make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to cook it in 15 minutes. That's it, and we're going to check it after 20 minutes. So as you can see, it's almost ready, but it's watery, so this time I have to remove the aluminum foil cover. So in this way, the water will evaporate and will dry a little bit. So we wait another 10 minutes and it's ready. After 10 minutes, so here is my seafood boil. So this is how it looks like when it's done. So you see the color. Now I'm drooling and I'm excited to eat this one. So I hope everybody finds it helpful, and if you want to try this one, just keep watching, and I hope this video will help you on how to do it. But not necessarily do the same time as with me, but up to whatever seafoods that you want to do. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. So now it's time to eat. See you in my next video, same time and same day. Have a good day, everyone.